Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So for our Madras School of Economics, we are solving out with the 2025 sample paper questions. So this is our question 16. So let's read out the question and then try to solve together. Suppose a country devalues its currency like India did it in the early 1990s. The rupee dollar exchange rate moves from rupees 20 for $1 to rupees 30 for $1. So devaluation helps a country to do what? Import more and export less, fight inflation, fight income inequality, or stimulate aggregate demand in the short run. So we know when a country devaluates its currency, it lowers the value of its currency relative to foreign currency. So in this case, a rupee moves from rupees 20 for to rupees 30. So then what will be the expected effects then? So exports become cheaper for us. Exports become cheaper. So for foreign buyers, because they can now buy the same good for fewer units of their currency, because the price, as we can see, for Indian goods in dollar has decreased. Similarly, the imports on the other hand have become expensive, because it's vice versa, because the domestic consumer need more of their currency to buy the same amount of foreign goods due to higher exchange rate. So devaluation and aggregate demand. Now this, by making the exports cheaper and imports more expensive, devaluation basically it stimulates demand for domestic goods. Demand for domestic goods. So this is an expansionary effect on the economy, as it encourages more and more domestic production and increases aggregate demand. So our solution will be it stimulates aggregate demand in the short run, and devaluation boosts exports and reduces imports, which increases overall demand in the economy. Best of luck students, and continue watching together. And do let us know in this number if you have any doubts regarding any question or any explanation regarding any topic.